Have you ever felt like you're just typing the same boilerplate code over and over again? Or maybe you've stared at a complex bug for hours wishing you had a second pair of eyes? Well, what if I told you that your coding partner could be built right into your IDE, ready to help you 24/7? Today, we're diving deep into the world of GitHub Copilot within IntelliJ IDEA. And trust me, it's more than just an autocomplete. This isn't just about writing code faster. It's about fundamentally changing the way we think, plan, and build software. Let's get started. For many of us, the journey with GitHub Copilot started with that magical gray text appearing in our editor, suggesting the rest of a line or even a whole function. It felt like a superpower. But that was just the beginning. In IntelliJ IDEA, Copilot has evolved into a sophisticated, multi-modal assistant that integrates seamlessly into every part of your workflow. Let's break down its powerful modes. First up is the one you're probably most familiar with, chat mode. This is your conversational coding companion, living in the sidebar of IntelliJ. You can ask it anything. Hey, can you explain this regular expression? Or generate a unit test for this service. But the real game changer is the project context. By typing at project, you're telling Copilot to scan your entire codebase. Suddenly, its answers aren't generic. They're tailored to your project's specific architecture, dependencies, and coding style. You can ask it, where is the user authentication logic handled in this project? And it will pinpoint the exact files and methods. It's like having a senior developer who has already memorized your entire repository, ready to answer your questions instantly. This is incredibly powerful for onboarding new team members or jumping into a legacy codebase. Instead of spending days just trying to figure out where everything is, you can simply ask. It drastically reduces the cognitive load and helps you become productive almost immediately. You can highlight a complex piece of code and ask Copilot to explain it, generate documentation, or even suggest ways to refactor it for better readability. But what happens when the changes you need aren't confined to a single file? This is where the next evolution, Copilot edits, comes into play. Imagine you need to rename a method that's used across a dozen different files. The old way was a risky find and replace or a manual, error-prone refactoring process. With edits, you simply tell Copilot what you want to do. For example, you could say, rename the getUser method to fetchUserProfile and update all its usages across the project. Copilot will then analyze your codebase, identify every instance and prepare the changes. It doesn't just blindly apply them. Instead, it presents you with a diff view, just like a pull request. You can review every single change across every single file, all in one consolidated interface. You have complete control to accept, reject, or modify the suggestions before they're applied. This makes large-scale refactoring tasks not just faster, but significantly safer. It's a massive leap from simple suggestions to intelligent, project-wide modifications. Now, let's talk about the most futuristic and powerful feature, agent mode. This is where Copilot truly starts to feel like a junior developer on your team. Agent mode is designed to handle complex, multi-step tasks autonomously. You give it a high-level goal, and it figures out the steps to achieve it. For instance, you could task it with, add a new REST endpoint, API products ID, that retrieves a product from the database and returns it as JSON. In agent mode, Copilot won't just spit out a block of code. It will start by researching your project. It will look for your existing controllers, your database models, your service layers, and your repository patterns. It might ask you clarifying questions like, I see you're using a product service. Should I add the new logic there? Or, what should happen if the product ID is not found? Should I return a 404 not found error? Based on your answers, it will then write the code, modify the necessary files, and can even be configured to run terminal commands to install dependencies or execute your test configurations to verify its own work. It's an interactive, collaborative process where Copilot acts as your proactive partner, handling the tedious implementation details so you can focus on the bigger picture. Within this powerful agent mode lies another critical feature, plan mode. When you give Copilot a particularly complex request, like implement OAuth 2 authentication using Google, it knows that jumping straight into code would be reckless. So it enters plan mode first. Instead of code, it generates a high-level implementation strategy. It will outline the steps it plans to take, like 1. Add the necessary Spring security in Google OAuth 2 dependencies to the POM. XML. 2. Create a new configuration file for security settings. 3. Update the application. Properties with client ID and secret placeholders. 4. Create a custom user details service to handle user creation. You get to review this plan before any code is written. You can edit it, add steps, or correct its assumptions. This ensures that you and the AI are perfectly aligned on the approach before it starts, generating dozens of lines of code across multiple files. It prevents you from going down the wrong path and gives you the architectural oversight you need, combining human strategic thinking with AI's incredible speed of execution. So, with all this power, how do you get access to it? GitHub Copilot offers a few different subscription plans tailored to different needs. There's a free tier, which is great for casual use or just trying it out. It gives you a limited number of messages per month in the AI chat. If you're a professional developer or a power user, the Copilot Pro plan is likely what you'll want. It offers unlimited messages and, crucially, gives you early access to new models and features as they're released. For organizations, there are the Copilot Business and Enterprise plans. These offer the same unlimited access but add important features for teams like centralized policy management, security controls, and, in the case of Enterprise, the ability to create fine-tuned, custom models trained on your own company's private codebase for even more relevant and secure suggestions. Finally, it's worth mentioning the models that power all this magic. While OpenAI's GPT models, like the superfast and powerful GPT-4o, are often the default, GitHub is expanding the options available depending on your plan. You might also get access to models like Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is praised for its strong reasoning capabilities and concise output, or Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, known for its massive context window, making it excellent for understanding very large code bases. This flexibility means you can choose the right tool for the job, optimizing for speed, accuracy, or reasoning depending on your specific task. From simple autocomplete to a full-fledged autonomous agent that can plan, execute, and verify complex tasks, GitHub Copilot in IntelliJ IDEA is completely redefining what it means to be a developer. It's not here to replace us. It's here to augment our abilities, to handle the mundane and repetitive work so we can focus on what we do best, solving problems and building amazing things. It's an exciting time to be a coder, and this is just the beginning of the AI-assisted development era. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the future of software development. See you in the next one.